Tax-free investments is like money for jam. Calling something money for jam means that it's money that comes easy. We all work hard for our money, but I consider a tax-free investment plan an easy investment that helps you take control of your financial future. You can use a tax-free investment to save for different goals. Saving for your child's education, saving for a holiday, or even saving for big renovations at your house. You can contribute a maximum of 36,000 Rand per tax year, with a lifetime contribution limit of 500,000 Rand to a tax-free savings plan. Your growth in this product is also tax-free, and it offers the benefit of compound interest when you leave your money to grow for the long term. A tax-free investment plan also provides the flexibility to access your savings when needed, keeping in mind that funds withdrawn cannot be replaced given the annual and lifetime limits prescribed. Use your time wisely. Don't postpone investing in a tax-free investment plan. Make this your tax season to be future ready with PSG.